Welcome back, everybody. If you want to see how I got this look, just stick around. So I went to Target, picked up a few e.l.f. products, just some concealer and eyebrow pencil, and also a small eyeshadow palette. And I thought it was fun to be able to do an e.l.f. look. I haven't used e.l.f. products in a while, but I love them. They were always so cheap, but they always worked really good. So I'm so excited for this video today. And I'm going to start off with my eyebrows. If you would like to see a full eyebrow tutorial, I'll post like a little link at the top so you can see my full eyebrow tutorial. I got the darkest color that I can find in the store. It's really soft, it's really light. I had to actually color it a few times to get it to deposit more color, but I like soft brows, so it really doesn't bother me. If you like really dark brows, then it may bother you, but for everyday brows it's perfectly fine. And then I'm going to go in with this concealer, a lighter shade, because I'm going to do an eyeshadow look as well. If I wasn't doing an eyeshadow look, then I probably would have went in with only my skin tone color. So I kind of like the concealer. It's okay. It wasn't runny. It was pretty thick, so that's a plus for me. So for the color that I'm using now, it took a while for me to get the color to deposit. Maybe if I would have had a lighter concealer, it would have worked better, or maybe used a real eyeshadow base, it would have worked much better. But for this look, it wasn't giving me much color payoff. So, but in the end, I had good results. You just have to put a lot of eyeshadow on your eye. If you're in a rush, this is not it. Also, right before I made this video, I dropped the eyeshadow palette and I broke the shimmer color. And so you may see shimmer on my eye. That's not from the brown color. That's just a mess that I made. But I was able to put it back together. I was really sad about that. Now I'm gonna go in with the eyeliner. I like it. I think it's okay. I would use it daily just for an eyeliner. It gives me what I need, gets me to from point A to point B. I don't like the tip of this liner, but it gets the job done. I like the tip only to get the inner corners of my eye. It does a great job with that. But like I said, I've used this before, so I don't have a problem keeping this product or repurchasing this product. Alright you all, so thank you for watching. There you have it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.